instead of everything being scattered. We'll have it all in one place. How about we do this up a little bit higher? Everything is still very easy to pull off the shelves.
I love walking into a space where people are completely frustrated, stressed out. They have no idea where to begin. And I walk in and instantly just see the room the way it would look with no clutter. And before they know it, in a couple of hours, sometimes they have a room back. That's what I love. And then the end result when I see how happy people are. Room to Breathe is a home and office organizing and a home staging company. I started 4 years ago.
Hi! Nice to see you again. The process that Jessica went through with me was great. We started off with a filing cabinet and went through and said, okay, do you really need this, or is this something that you can get rid of?
My husband and I decided that we were going to put our house on the market, and so we were excited to work with Jessica from Room to Breathe. She came out to our house and went room to room and told us everything that we could do to make our house look really great so that when we put it on the market, we would be the #1 house.
Jessica helped me reduce the bulk of the items that I had by about 80%. Now when I come down into the room to work, I just feel like I feel so happy.
I use Constant Contact to offer 2 newsletters each month. One goes to realtors only. The other one is my organizing newsletter.
You're thinking about things in your house and then you get Jessica's newsletter and boom, there's the solution to your organizing problem.
I love Constant Contact. I love the ease of use. I love the template selection. I love that it tracks who opens, who forwards, who deletes. Those are all things that I couldn't do just through my regular email. It's not only helped me grow my business,
9 a.m. on Friday,
but helps me maintain that personal contact with individuals, and that's really important to me.
We were holding our breath when we put our house on the market, and so selling it so quickly because of her good suggestions absolutely gives us room to breathe.
It's really about creating a space that's inviting and relaxing and somewhere that you can just breathe easy in. That feels really good, and there's nothing better than that for me.